Today is the day I got the first new piece of equipment to further invest in myself and my videography skills, telling stories through the camera, through the lenses, through the color, and through the lighting. Let me just give you a hint. Oh. Ooh. Look at this freaking bag. Let's get inside and see what we got. Remote, the paperwork, and the prized pig. Right? Freaking there. Aputure 120D. Got the light itself. Look inside of there. All the LEDs crammed into that little center space. The light. You can see the epic fan inside. There's a daylight. We're at 6000K, which is going to be awesome to pair with daylight shots. We've got the control board dangles from the stand. Simple. This one's the power button. This one is the brightness. Got the channel, the group, your fan, force or auto. And you can set these three lights to three different channels or all to one channel. It's epic. And then we've got a battery V-mount on the back, as well as AC and the input. We've got the cables, 3-pin to small 4-pin for the light. That goes to the control board. AC adapter in this little pocket over here. We've got the bag cable and the power supply. And the sweet little cherry on top, the remote control. This makes adjusting the lighting so beautifully simple. No checking your camera, running over, adjusting the brightness. It's just one touch. Look how simple that is. You don't need it to be complicated when it's not. What the? Stop tracking my face, you herb. So used as it is, it could be a spotlight. Pretty strong and harsh. We can use some barn doors on it to kind of direct the light a little more easily. We can throw on a lens. There's a lens to really be able to adjust the focus of the light, which is very cool. Dude, where'd my knife go? Battery in, and a cleaning kit. Gloves, keep everything nice, hands oil free. The light dome. Diffuse the light super evenly. This is made by Aputure. We've got the light dome frame. It's like a giant umbrella, pretty much. Got the diffusion cover and the mounting bracket for the light. Let's put it right on there. Let's put this thing together. One piece at a time. Ooh, look at that. I got sun in my office now. Now for our light dome. Start with the Bowen's mount, where we'll build the whole thing. I think this is how it works, right? This looks right. Halfway. Now we put in the inner diffuser. It hangs in front of the light to keep it from having a hot spot in the center. Bing. Now we put on the outer diffuser. A little extra. Let's try this again. That should be fine. Now we'll remove the standard reflector. And there we go. We got this cool freaking lighting setup, and with the control, I can blast off to space with this dude. Here we go. Look at me. I'm backlit as shit. Bring it down with the controller. Let's see how it looks from the other side. We're down real low right now. We're close. I'm close. You're close to me. Back up. If we get it right about here, we got this backlight. It's kind of bright, but turn up the new light. That's not so bad. You can keep it going. It's pretty freaking bright. I'm about a meter away from this right now. The light outside too right now in Portland is like smoky, terrifying. Bring it down. Bring it up. That's cool. That's the Aputure 120D. I have a link below, so you can go check it out yourself. It's a great diffusion light or spotlight, and you can use it in a ton of ways. I'm gonna play around with it and try to do some interviews in the next couple weeks. It is 6,000 K, which is a little cool, but I think it's gonna work out just right. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you wanna see more, like it, and good luck.